Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do question number 1 to 5 of workbook of chapter number 1, heating and cooling. Question number 1, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, the coldest part of a fridge is at the bottom. This is true statement. Number 2, radiated heat always travels downwards. False statement. Number 3, in hot sunny climates, houses are often painted white to keep them warm inside. This statement is again false. Number 4, insulation works by trapping air in the spaces between the material. True statement. Number 5, a vacuum flask can keep liquids at constant temperature for several days. This is false statement. Question number 2, choose the correct option. Number 1, which of these surfaces is best at radiating heat? Option A, black, B, blue, C, red, D, white. The correct option is A, black. Number 2, which of these surfaces is best at absorbing heat? Option A, black, B, blue, C, red, D, white. Correct option is A, black. Third statement, a vacuum flask is able to keep a cold liquid cold because it, option A, decreases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid, B, decreases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid, C, increases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid, D, increases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid. Correct option is A, decreases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid. Statement 4, plants grow better in a greenhouse in early spring because A, heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse, B, seeds germinate in the spring, C, the greenhouse stops too much heat getting to the plants, D, the young plants are sheltered from the rain. Correct option is A, heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse. Statement 5, in dry weather, the water in a puddle soon disappears because it, option A, evaporates into the air, B, is drunk by small animals, C, soaks into the ground below, D, spreads outwards to the surrounding ground. Correct option is A, evaporates into the air.